I'm Riccardo Buonafede. I'm an Italian artist, and I began to make art from very young. And I study art, and when I was young, I feel the need to make something with this kind of communication, because it's the more easy way for me to communicate with people what I feel about everything I know. It's a better way to know and learn about people, about the world, about the nature, about the feelings. And now it's my work, and I love it. This project is born because I feel the need to build something in connection with the energy and the elements of the nature. The last year I made a sculpture in Vienna, and I made a sculpture in connection with the earth and the plants. So this time I made another sculpture, but in connection with the water. So this is the reason for I choose this spot, because here the waterfall is very, very strong, and you can feel the power of the nature. I built this sculpture like a surfboard, because the surfboard are made in polystyrene inside and fiberglass around. So I think I can use this technique because I need something light and something can float in the water. And I think this is the best idea for this kind of installation. I love this festival because the places are very wild, and you can feel the connection with the nature, and the artists have the possibility to make something something can communicate with people and the place in the same time.